Very good morning. I'm meeting you after some time, but it's always pleasure to be through this Manas Sarovar YouTube. Today, I thought we'll just go through a very briefly on what is public's perception of anxiety. Normal anxiety, every one of us and every one of the viewers would have experienced at some point of time. In fact, normal anxiety is very much needed for our life's growth, life success, to keep a motivation, to keep your energy on, to keep your goals steady, and to work for the goals. As you go forward, what actually happens is this anxiety keeps your energy going on. So, we call it a U anxiety or U stress. U means ideal stress. Why do you need this ideal stress? This ideal stress is an energy which is a constant motivating factor to you. For example, can I finish my subjects for my exam preparation properly? Unless you have a force which drives you, this won't help. So, normal anxiety is very much experienced by everyone. Now, when do you call this normal anxiety an abnormal anxiety? Again, every one of you who is watching at some point in your lifetime might have much more anxiety than needed. You would have known, for example, you know the answer, but in the exam suddenly you go blank. You don't remember. It's not exam phobia, but at that point of time, on that exam day, for some reason, you didn't get. Likewise, in an interview, you know when the interviewer asks you a question, you know the answer, but it is not coming to you. So you put a blank face. So this is called a little excess anxiety than normal. Ladies and gentlemen, normal anxiety is needed, but you need to develop a control of your anxiety. And how best to do? My simple suggestions are, first, talk about your anxieties, especially the excessive anxieties, with your peer group. Sleep well, eat well, practice pranayama, practice in a beautiful way as a regular lifestyle, or practice yogasanas in which relaxation technique is always part of that. In yogasanas, when I say it, again, it should be part of your life. Then never go for artificial stimulation. Excess of tobacco, excess of coffee, excess of tea, or excess of alcohol, including alcohol usage, can lead to a further deterioration of your memory functions and your overall functions. So, ladies and gentlemen, now you know what is normal anxiety. Let us strive that you always maintain your normal anxieties. You do not go to an excessive state of anxiety. You don't even go for under than required anxiety. At this point of time, I think it's time to recognize that by your good lifestyles, by pranayama, by relaxation techniques, you can actually keep yourself pumping up with energy, positive energy, and do best. Hope to see you very soon in my next Manas Sarovar YouTube video. Bye-bye. I am Dr. G. Prasad Rao, a senior psychiatrist from Hyderabad.